Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to today's video for everyone with Generation 2 AirPods that is jailbroken on iOS 12 to 12.1.2. I have great news for you in today's video. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix the AirPods Gen 2 issues that you have on your jailbreak when they don't appear correctly when you open them and when you pair them. So, this and more in today's video. Of course, before we start, definitely like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest Apple and jailbreaking news. Again, for all of the download links, definitely check out our Best Tech Info article. Without further ado, let's get into the tweak I'm talking about in this video. So if you guys take a look at my iPhone XS Max here, if I go into the settings app, I'm currently on iOS 12.1.2. But now, as you'll see, when I pull up my second generation AirPods right here, when I flick them open, just like that, there we have it guys, they appear just as they are supposed to. It looks something like that. So if we head out of here and go over, as you guys will see, they appear perfectly fine, again within the widgets pane. But the very cool thing is now they appear with this pop-up here that comes up at the bottom, notifying you that they're connected and has the battery percentage right there. Anyway, this is all done with one tweak, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to install that in this video. So here is the tweak guys, it is called Airport, and it's an entirely free tweak on the PackIX repository. So in all likelihood, you already have this repo added to your source list, but if you guys need it, I'll link it down below in this video's description. Anyway, all you need to do is install this one tweak. The features it includes right here, again, are the pairing status, a proper fix for that. Again, we have the proper fix for the glyphs that come up when you connect your AirPods. There's a couple errors, but really nothing too crazy. Anyway, we really don't need to make this video too long. That's the essential information that you need to know. I really just wanted to make this to let everyone know that there's a partial fix for the second generation AirPods. And it even comes with some cool features when you flip them open to have black AirPods just like that. I think that looks pretty sweet if my camera will focus. There we go. Now this is one issue that it happens right here, is that both battery percentages will say 0, but if you just flick the lid down and flip them back up once more, that should be fixed pretty much instantaneously. Hopefully that bug will be worked out in a future updated version, but really it's not that big of an inconvenience. Anyway, very lastly in this video, I'm going to hold down the back button and reset my AirPods 2. And now that they're reset, as you guys can see, when you go to pair them on a jailbroken device, they appear like actual AirPods instead of just an audio accessory basically. So if I click connect right there, the battery percentages again are incorrect during the pairing process. But if you flick it down, like I said before, and flick it back up once more, then the correct battery percentages are displayed just like that. So just to spell things out very clearly, this works on A12 devices like the iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR, as well as the 2018 iPad Pros on both the Chimera Jailbreak, and again, for earlier generation devices, the Uncovered Jailbreak, it also works there as well. Anyway guys, just a quick video today showing you guys how you fix the appearance issue of the AirPods 2 not showing up correctly when you go to pair or just reconnect them. Again, this is not going to fix the #1 feature being Hey Siri with AirPods, but maybe that will come in the future. That might be a hard feature to port. In any case, guys, this is an awesome start, and really it just fixes the really annoying thing of whether your AirPods are connected or not when you flick them up. So now we have a banner, just like before, notifying us that our AirPods are now connected. And again, it goes away when you close them. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this quick video today. Again, like I said at the beginning of this video, definitely like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest Apple and jailbreaking news. Check the Best Tech Info article for the tweak and source list. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end. We have more awesome videos coming this week, so stay tuned. But until next time, this is Tony, signing out. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into today's tweaks. Okay, so first up we have Sileo No Banner, and it removes this red web pictions are depreciated banner, and when you guys have it installed, it looks something like that. Next up we have Groovify for Spotify, which basically lets you colorize and customize Spotify just the way you want it. Another awesome one that was just updated, Real CC, to basically permanently disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Here I also have a Togglo right here to basically glow the badges right there. Togglo, Real CC, I have Sugarcane, and then this module right here is called Power Module, so you guys can quickly enter safe mode, do a quick respring, or power down your guys' devices. Another awesome one is called Edge, and it adds this awesome gradient edge around your guys' device. Pretty minor, but pretty sweet looking on OLED devices. And again, if you guys watch my videos, I usually hide my home bar with Hide Bar X, but Chroma home bar actually looks pretty nice with Edge enabled as well. And while we're here within the settings app, you guys might have noticed a few things. One, we have better settings to give us a dark mode and kind of a redesign. We have like nice little platters right here organizing the tweaks. But as you guys can see, everything is reorganized in a special way, and that's done with Shuffle. And that's the tweak that actually puts your tweaks and apps and system apps all organized in those categories. Better settings basically just customizes the look of the settings app. And then very lastly, I have circle settings to give circular icons right there. So another one that I'm happy to say is updated is called Artsy, and this basically takes the album artwork and puts it in the background of your control center, also right here within the music platter. And also if you guys go to the notification center, it works perfectly fine with Mashuda Infinity, which is basically the visualizer going on right here in the background, although it's kind of hard to see as both tweaks are trying to mimic the album artwork colors, but that works a little bit better to kind of see exactly what it looks like. All in all, it's a pretty sweet combination of tweaks to have if you guys are music fans. Right below it, we have these colorized banners. That's done with Notifica. It also colorizes your widgets right here too, which looks pretty sweet. Back on the home screen, we have Floaty Doc to bring the iPad style dock to iPhones. And again, it's dark right now, and that is entirely thanks to this tweak called Dune. It's basically like Noctis 12, but it's entirely free. Heading into the Messages app, we have a couple things going on here. One, we have bubbles to bring dark mode as well as kind of redesign the message look. If we head into a message thread, we have a couple more tweaks going on. Right down here at the bottom, we have colorboard to colorize the keyboard based on the application color. Right now, we're in the Messages app, which is green. But if I go into something like Safari, the keyboard is then blue. Anyway, heading back into the Messages app, we also have bar emoji here at the bottom to display some frequently used emojis right here on the iPhone's home bar. And real quickly, Bubbles also does this. It can add custom gradients to your message threads. So swipe selection has also been updated, and I feel like this could come in very handy for those iPhone XR users that don't have 3D touch. Then you can just press and drag. You don't even actually have to press in. You don't have to 3D touch. You can just drag on the keyboard to move the cursor just like that. And when you're done and ready to send a text, here we have Whoops, which adds a 3-second countdown before actually sending said text message. Next up, if we go into the Animojis right here, Animoji 12.2 brings the latest iOS 12.2 Animojis like the shark, the owl, the giraffe, the boar to iOS 12 to 12.1.2. So heading back to the home screen here, we'll just go over a couple pages. If I swipe down in the middle, brings up my Spotlight search. If I swipe down on the right, it brings up the control center. If I swipe down on the left, it brings down the notification center or lock screen. And this is done with Easy Swipe. And speaking of custom lock screens, this one called 6 brings the iOS 6 style lock screen to your guys' latest flagship devices. A great handy one to have is Battery Percent X, which places your battery percentage right up in the top right instead of the battery icon. I've been using this one throughout this video, but basically animation speed fast changes the default animation speed when entering and exiting apps, pulling down notification center, unlocking and locking your guys' device. So I have Do Not Disturb enabled right now, but I do not have a notification letting me know that Do Not Disturb is enabled, and that is done with a tweak called Leave Me Alone. So blurification basically blurs out your guys' notifications until your face is recognized. So I'll try to demo this for you guys. There we go.